Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to have you here. Today, we'll be discussing ceiling reinforcement inspection. The focus will be on how engineers check slab reinforcement, ensuring that the formwork and beams align perfectly with the approved drawings. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the key steps involved in this important process. Let's get started. Let's take a closer look at the carpentry and formwork check. First, the carpenters play a crucial role in ensuring the formwork is properly aligned. They use leveling tools and laser lines to make sure everything is perfectly positioned before the concrete is poured. This step is vital because any misalignment can affect the final structure. By meticulously checking and adjusting the formwork now, we prevent potential issues later on. Remember, accurate formwork sets the foundation for a safe and durable construction. So, attention to detail during this phase is key to the overall success of the project. Let's talk about reinforcement accuracy. It's really essential to check the rebar spacing, overlap, and tie wire accuracy across both the top and bottom layers. Ensuring these elements are correct is key to the structural integrity of the concrete. When rebar is properly spaced and overlapped, it helps distribute loads evenly and prevents weak points. Also, paying attention to tie wire placement keeps everything securely in place during pouring and curing. Remember, accuracy at this stage makes a big difference in the strength and durability of the final structure. So, always double-check these details to keep the project on track and up to quality standards. Let's talk about electrical and mechanical coordination for a moment. It's really crucial to verify the placement of MEP sleeves and conduits within the slab reinforcement before we move on to the final consultant inspection. This step ensures that all the electrical and mechanical pathways are correctly positioned and secured. If these are not checked at this stage, there could be significant issues later on, like misaligned conduits or the need for costly adjustments. So always double-check these elements to avoid delays or rework. Remember, thorough coordination at this point helps keep the project on track and maintains the quality standards we aim for. It's all about making sure everything fits seamlessly within the structural elements, supporting the overall success of the project. Now, let's talk about the consultant approval stage. At this point, the consultant reviews the structural and MEP coordination checklist carefully. This is a critical step to ensure that all systems are properly integrated and that everything aligns with our project standards. Once the review is complete and everything checks out, the consultant stamps their approval, signifying that this phase is complete and ready to move forward. This approval is a key milestone because it confirms that the design is sound and coordinated across all disciplines. It ties directly into our overall goal of ensuring a smooth and efficient construction process by catching issues early and verifying that everything meets the required standards. Let's talk about the next critical step in our process, casting preparation. At this stage, workers focus on cleaning and brushing the formwork surface. This step is essential because a clean surface ensures proper bonding and a smooth finish for the concrete. It's also important to prepare all the necessary equipment in advance, making sure everything is ready to go when the pour begins. Additionally, we need to verify that the concrete pump is fully prepared and in good working condition. This readiness helps us avoid delays and ensures a steady, efficient flow of concrete. Overall, these preparation steps are fundamental in setting the stage for a successful casting, keeping the project on track and maintaining quality standards. Now moving on to the concrete pour, which is actually optional but often a crucial step. When we do proceed with the pour, it's essential that it starts under careful supervision. This helps us maintain quality throughout the process. During the pour, we focus on a few key techniques: vibration, which helps eliminate air pockets, proper compaction to ensure the concrete is solid and durable, and smooth finishing so the surface is even and ready for the next steps. These steps are vital because they directly impact the strength and longevity of the structure. Remember, the goal is to achieve a well-compacted, smooth surface that will perform reliably over time. This part ties into our overall theme of quality control and precision in construction.